Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Scotland. As you have seen here, I have already drawn a rectangular outline and this is the usual shape. Now I'm going to draw the inside graphics. Some lines, just crosses diagonally. So we're going to put those lines here. For drawing those lines, I'm using the dark blue color which is present in the national flag of Scotland. All right. So after putting these borders, you can see we have crossed lines, diagonal cross. Now we're going to fill up the other parts, which is dark blue color on the four sides of this rectangular segment. So I'm doing the right side of the rectangle, just trying to fill up the whole area as uniform color as possible. Okay, so this is almost finished. All right, now I'm going to peel up the top one. This is a separate block on the top. Then going for the left one. All right. Okay. And finally, I'm just drawing the bottom one. So you can see that all the colors present here is a single monochromatic color, which is dark blue. Okay, and after fill up all the color, you can see it's a nice flag, which is the flag of Scotland. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.